This is another set of litter mates that we have for you today. There's actually a third one who's being adopted named whatchamacallit. But today we have Thingamajig, who is the gray kitten, and Zagnut, who is the brown tabby. These guys came in shortly before Halloween when we were naming everything after candy. So they're about 2.5 to 3 months old, and they are both male kittens. They are not as messy as some of the other kittens that we have. They tend to be pretty quiet. They haven't made any huge messes. We have some that are notorious for that, but these guys are pretty easygoing. They're still figuring out, who they want to be as far as, am I a cuddler or am I playful? They're just your typical kittens right now. They have the softest fur, and they're still like that tiny, little fat baby, and they're just very cute and cuddly, and they are looking for forever families. Just as we mentioned with Jake and Maggie, you could adopt these two kittens together, but that's not a requirement. They could be adopted independently as well. We make sure that all of the cats and kittens are spayed or neutered before they go into an adoptive home. We also make sure that they're up to date on their rabies vaccines, their licensing, different distemper vaccine, flea and tick preventative, dewormer. All of our cats and dogs are also microchipped. These guys are a little young, but they have already received their rabies vaccines. In some instances, the cats are still underage and not able to receive that here. So we send all of those adoptive families with a voucher that all of our participating vets will accept, so that those animals can be vaccinated when the time is appropriate. These kittens came to us already old enough, or just about at the weight that they needed to be. So they have not had spent any time in a foster care situation, but they seem to be relatively well socialized because they were previously owned. So we don't have any information from an owner. That could mean several things, that somebody had an unwanted litter and they were actually caring for these cats, or they saw that there was a mother and just kind of in the yard or on their farm, and they just kept them for a period of 2 weeks, put some food out, things like that. If you're interested in these kittens, you could adopt them independently. Their adoption fee would be $97.50 a piece, or you do get a $20 reduction in your total adoption fee when you make two part of your family.